Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, versatile all the while there. Enough time me hear a woman debating and arguing about this one topic. Why do men cheat? I man is a man who is very observant, is he? And I stood back for a couple months and I watched behaviors and I watched little things and I analyzed things, is he? And I think I finally came up with the reason why people cheat. I'm going to do it from a man's point of view just because I understand a man's point of view. I don't understand why women do it. But you hear me I say now. Me now, on my observation, I realize there's different qualities of a woman. Every woman have a different type of essence. For instance, I'm going to use this bunch of bananas. And women... I'm sorry. I'm going to use a bunch of bananas. I'm not using that like saying women are, equivalent to bananas, but what you call it, hypothetically speaking, see? This is representing a whole bunch of women, like... Alright, so you're in the supermarket, see, and you pick up a bunch of bananas, right? You're sieving through to see which is the best one. Now, in a bunch of 6 bananas, you might have one bruised up banana. And you see the one bruised up banana and you think, no, I don't want this one, Cause you see that bad one there, we don't want it. So you put that one down and you go on looking through. What I'm basically trying to say is that there's different qualities in women. You might have somebody looking like J-Lo and a man dating J-Lo and him cheat on J-Lo and you think, yo, him cheat on J-Lo. If that was me with J-Lo, boy, me lock off for life. Me won't cheat on her. J-Lo have her thing going on. Her next woman might walk in and her hair look nice, but she have a different quality, a different type of essence about her. It's not always about the body, it's not always about the look. You know what I mean? So it's not always about you sleep with her, but she uglier than me. It could be that the girl is a freak or something like that, which takes us back to quality. This one could be a freak. This one could be good at cooking food or something. This one could teach me something in life. This one I've experienced with this and that. I'm not trying to say like you're using women or nothing like that. You know what I mean? It's just things that draw us and lures us towards other people. Mystery is the biggest seducer. You see somebody you like them and you want to know about that, and that's what make you want to fight and chase to get that person. That's just my observation, blood. But yeah, man, so hopefully that kind of clarifies it. Because men don't really cheat for any particular reasons, women. We don't cheat because something changed with you or the relationship bad or you argue too much. Sometimes there's no reason. Like I said, when something attracts a person to another person, you can't just help it. It's just the way the universe works. It's just energy, yo. If you pay attention to people's energy and people's atmosphere, then you can understand it a bit more. Is it? But you have to have your third eye open. Bless up, versatile all the willy well. No, no one say no willy well. Versatile all the punny well. Oh my god. Sure.